In this video we are talking about if Verasity is going to the downside or if we see a massive run to the upside. As you can see, we started our bullish move from this demand zone right here to the upside, and from the down to the top we saw a 4500% bullish move. Then we saw a correction from the all-time high to the low, which were about 98%. So now the question is, are we going to fall to lower levels or are we going to see a bullish move to the upside? As you can see, we started our bullish move from this demand zone right here. Then we came into this demand zone and saw a bullish reaction to the upside. That's a good sign for Verasity. After that bullish move, we saw a correction from the supply zone to the levels right now. The structure here is quite bullish because we saw from this high right here a correction under this low, so we had a lower low right here. Then from this low right here, we saw a higher high right here, and we didn't break this low. So if we don't break this low right here, we are not in a full bearish structure. So from the technical perspective, this demand zone right here is not strong because we don't saw a lower low. And from the technical perspective, this demand zone is holding right now. But now the question is, what is happening right now? As you can see, we built our last low right here and we didn't have a body close under this purple line. We just saw this wick right here, and that's a very good sign for Verasity. So if we don't close with a full body candle under this purple line right here, the chances that we go to the upside are very high. As we go deeper in the chart, you can see that we built lower highs right here, but as I said, we didn't build a lower low with a body close. So now it's very important that we see a move to the upside and that we break this last highs right here. This would be a very bullish sign. But if we see a trend continuation to the downside and we see a body close over here, then the possibility that we see lower levels is very high. If anything interesting is happening on Verasity, I will make a video about it. So feel free to subscribe to this channel to don't miss the update video on Verasity or other altcoins. So that was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. Please leave a like if you liked the video and see you in the next one.